Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making an admin panel using Laravel Orchid. So Orchid is an open source admin panel. It's not actually an admin panel. Uh, you can call it a framework of Laravel which helps you build admin panels. We will be building a portfolio. First we'll be making a model and a migration. So we have a migration and we also have a model over here. We will also create a post model. So a portfolio can have multiple posts and each post will have certain content about that portfolio or about that case study. You can set up whatever columns you want, but I have some columns built before, so I will just copy them. Okay, so we are using foreign key over here as this portfolio ID. So now we have our foreign key relationship set up. Now we need to migrate. Okay, so we have successfully migrated and made both these tables on the database. We have to set up the model relationships. as you may have noticed, we are declaring some JSON columns. So we have to cast this JSON columns as array in your model like this. So we have listed out our fillables. And we have also made a relationship with the post model. So here we have listed out the fillables of the post and also declared the inverse relationship to the portfolio model. So the inverse has many as this belongs to in Laravel. Okay, so now it's time to set up our Orchid admin panel. So I already have this installed. So you don't need to run this install again. You can directly create a user. This you have to run on the first install only. Okay, so I have successfully created a admin user for the Orchid admin panel. Okay, let us start the development server. Okay, so we have the default Laravel homepage over here, and here is the login for the Orchid admin panel. So we will put in the email and the password that we used before to create the user over here. This one, user, this is the email and this is the password. Okay, so let's log in. Nice, we have logged in into the Laravel Orchid panel. Okay, now it's time to build our portfolio page. Okay, so we have Orchid commands for building the screens. We need to build a portfolio screen first. So first we will be making a page to list out the portfolios, and then we will make a page to add the portfolios. Oops. So this would be PHP artisan Orchid screen. Okay, so we have successfully created the screen, which will be found in the Orchid folder. We will also make the edit screen. Okay, so to start using this model with Orchid, we need to add a trait over here. Use as source. This one as source. It is automatically imported in my editor, as you can see. So with this trait, we would be able to use this model as a source for the Laravel, the Orchid screens. Same thing we have to do here. Okay, so now we have set up everything needed to make the portfolio screen.